Good morning. I am Mrs. T. Maitra, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce with Information Technology. Now I am going to discuss a topic on essentials of business intelligence in today's life. Here now we are going to see how the business intelligence is very essential in day-to-day life. So in all the areas, the BA is using as a effective one because they have a very essential tool which enables and converting the raw data into an actionable site. For this through this process we can have a proper decision making, and we can convert the raw data into a meaningful data which is very effective for operational efficiency, and it is also an innovation one. So for growing market, the competition can be easily identified, so they can use a more technological advancement wherever the consumers are need. So it will be very useful for modern business. So in each and every area they are using a business intelligence for collecting the huge data from the customer, and they can have a proper transaction and internet process. So the data are very important asset for this BI. So now we are going to see the step-by-step process how this business intelligence are very useful in today life with this help of the diagram. The first one is explanation of data. So in modern world, all the organizations are dealing with big data, which is having a huge velocity and very different various data. So for that purpose, they are using the online transaction and various social media areas. For this, they are using IoT device. Through this, they are using collecting the data. So after collecting the data, they are using a BI tool as a process for converting a mass of data into a real-time one. The following that, the second one is demand for real-time insight. So it is a decision-making process. So they can update the data minute to minute to act accordingly. So for this purpose, they are monitoring the KPI. So the immediate access can be given to the market changes. So for analyzing the demand, they can use this BI as a KPI metrics. The third one is increased competition. So each and every industries are having a competitive world. They are mainly focusing on the customer. So for this BI, how the BI helps in organization, so they can identify the marketing trend. So what is the marketing gap? So through this they can meet their competitors. So after enabling this, they are using innovation. The innovation process will be very faster across the competitors. Through this they can motivate their consumers. The next one is data driven decision culture. So it is one of the shifting area from institution based to data driven decision making. So it is very promotable. So through this they can have a accountability decision where they can use it as a evidence. So through encouraging this strategic planning, so many areas are assumed with the help of BI tools. So this BI is a very important area where they can collect their information. See, the next one is customer centric business model. So each and every customers can understand their needs and behavior, which is very critical to have a successful business. So this BI is enabling various segmentation, and it is personalizing the customer data. After personalizing the customer data, it is going to have a customer experience optimization. So through this optimization, they can have a improvement in retention, satisfaction, and loyalty. So this will help the consumer to understand how the BI is useful. The next one is automation and efficiency. So each and every business intelligence tools are analyzed with the data. After analyzing the data, they are going to report. So the reporting will be in a different methods of visualization. So by giving this, they can reduce their work. The reporting cycle will be continuously updated. They can reduce the human error. So after increasing this efficiency, the productivity will increase across each and every department. So the next one is support for remote and global operation. So it is based on the cloud enabled support team where they can geography across the world. So this each and every organization is monitoring how the real-time operations are very useful from anywhere. The collaboration is very important. Next one is compliance and risk management. So BI supports very accurate and a timely compliance. So through this, the auditing and regularity can be done very fastly. So it helps to identify how the financial position and risks are yearly improved. So by this we can conclude how the BI is very important in today's life, how they are going to have a real-time insight. So this business trends can be understand very easily. So in this way, the business intelligence is very essential to every person in their day-to-day life. Thank you.